Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you all are safe, taking care of yourself. In this video, I am going to show this Korean inspired makeup look, K-pop inspired makeup look. Now, I have researched a lot and I wanted to do this video because a lot of you love K-pop. I also, like, not that much, but I love a little bit. And unka jo makeup hota hai, I love that their makeup to another level. I always make sure that I do makeup like very clean, glowing and all that. Like, makeup should not look that you're wearing makeup. That is how I always work on. And in recently I just made my recent tutorial where I showed that glowing makeup look. I showed that kind of look also there, but here the tips and tricks are going to be very different. It is going to be absolutely inspired makeup look. I hope you can see today I've gone with that kind of makeup only, so you're gonna see all the tips and tricks, everything that I'm talking about the makeup you will see in the whole video. So if you want to know this K-pop inspired makeup look, how to do that kind of makeup, so what the whole video you will get to know every single tips and tricks. Before starting off, make sure that you subscribe my channel. That will really mean a lot and that will appreciate me through the way I'm giving my work to you. So that will be very important for me if you subscribe to me. You can follow my pages, my Instagram pages, that is Priyank Makeup and Hair. So I do all my makeup related stuff there. Like if you want more glimpses related to makeup of my everything, you can see there. And my own account, Priyanka Almeida. So I have my own shit going there all the time. Okay? So I hope you will enjoy this. Keep watching makeup. First of all, when it comes to like K-pop inspired makeup, you always have to make sure that your skin is well hydrated, moisturized and very dewy. That is how their base is always. You will never see them matte, or you will never see their face even cakey. So you don't have to do bhar ke foundations and all that. You will know step by step. I will teach you. Okay? When it comes to base, moisturizing, CTM is the best thing that you can start with. So cleanse, tone and moisturize. तो आपने अच्छे से face wash से अपना skin wash कर लिया, then go with a toner. So you can use any mist, you can even use a water. So I already prepped my skin because you have to prep little bit while. So I use a toner. This is by Recuil. This is their pore refining toner. So I use this just to, you can use any toner. You can even use rose water or whatever is available with you, or normal water bhi chalega. Then I went with my moisturizer that I always use before makeup. That is the Biotica moisturizer. So I use this and I didn't rub on my skin. Always rub it on your palms and then pat it on your skin. That is the two step that I'm like done. Now what you have to do, my skin is like well hydrated, moisturized. Okay, I'm going to do the third step is going to mist my skin. So again you go with your toner. So whatever toner you have, you can even use water as I said. So I'm using this plum green tea toner because I have this. I got this recently, so I want to try this. So I'm using this toner. So what happens is basically when you use a toner, you get that refreshing feel on your skin. At the same time, it's like kind of hydration also you get on the upper layer. So when you're using base, foundation or foundations or concealing, whatever, it will glide अच्छे से. So whenever your prep is nice, I have talked about this in most of my videos whenever I'm talking about makeup. Whenever you're doing a very like dewy makeup, glowy makeup, always make sure that your skin prep is very important. Okay? So I will let that settle for a while. As you can already see, it is giving so much of hydration, so you don't have to go product say with another product, because then the product will not get time to seep in. You can even use some kind of fan to just to give that this blowing effect for it to dry a little bit faster. So you do that just for a while. Then I will go with oil. Now I have talked, if you have not watched my glowy makeup look, that webinar that I have taken, most of the base things are similar. So I'm going to take the Johnson's baby oil, or you can use whatever oil is available with you. Okay, you don't have to purchase whatever I'm showing you. Whatever you have, you can mix and match and you can create a lot of different looks. Okay, now in that I had showed that you have to use your palms. No, but in this you don't use your palms. You always use a brush. So you can use a stippling brush. So I'm taking a so what happens is if you directly apply, it will deposit a lot of product. So you don't want a lot of product. You want just slightly here and there glow. So I'm taking it like अच्छे से blending it first. So my oil is up and I'm taking it from down. So you have to take it like this and then slowly you have to pat it. I'm not rubbing it. You have to pat it. धीरे धीरे you have to pat it. Okay, I hope you can see the way I'm doing it. So I'm going from my cheeks, then I'm coming on my chin to another cheek, and then I'm going on my forehead. So you will get a very light product, and also at the same time it will not, and at the last you have to go on your nose. On the nose you don't have to pat because already our nose is like very oily, so you have to just pat it little bit. Okay, rub अच्छे से, and then your under eyes. So you go from your cheeks to your chin to your cheeks again, your forehead, and then your nose, and then your under eyes. I hope you got the trick. And then remaining product you can put it on your neck or whatever. Okay, you can again put it on your cheekbones here. Always use a brush whenever you have to put little product, because what happens, thoda product brush kha leta hai, so you don't get that much of deposit. So don't take product on your hand, rub it and apply directly. That is different things. Different methods give different kind of looks. Okay, so in this look, as it's K-pop inspired, you have to do the way I'm showing you. Again, there are a lot of ways. This is my way that I've researched and I've seen. So this is how I would prefer doing. So that's the reason I'm suggesting you also all that. So I think my prepping is done. Now I'm gonna go with my base. So now when it comes to like this K-pop thing, K-pop people, like the female or male both, they don't have that much of flaws in their skin because the skincare is very good. Plus, where they stay, the climatic conditions are absolutely different. That's the reason they have very good and glowing skin. But aisa nahi hai ki like no one will have acne and all that. That is they have. But mostly their skin conditions are very good because of their climatic conditions. Okay, their food, most of their food is very much boil and all that. So a lot of things matter for good skin and good hair. So you don't have to really get there that much. Now for that, so now when you see their skin, they don't have that much of flaws, right? So here I have some flaws, so I'm going to hide that because I want that particular look I'm going with. So if you have deep dark circles, you can go with the orange corrector, and if you have little bit darkness and a little bit coverage if you want here and there, so you can go with that peach correctors. Okay, so I am using a corrector called Chinese, that is from the brand Cryolin. So it is like a professional brand that mostly makeup artists use. You can use this or you can use any peach corrector, whatever. If you don't have like any of this thing, maybe you can use a lipstick which is very peachy in color, but use very lightly. The first thing that you're using, so always make sure that you're very slow on your skin and very gentle. Be very gentle with your skin. It's very important, okay, whenever you're doing makeup and also skincare. Okay, then I'm also correcting my some of the dark things that I find. ज़्यादा तो नहीं है, but wherever you find कि आपको ज़रूरत है, there only you should apply. पूरे face में I've seen people doing correction thing everywhere where they don't need, there also they will do. That is a very bad thing. Never do that. Very less is more. I didn't use any primer. So what we are going to do is I'm going to tell you a trick. So here what you have to do is use a foundation. So use mostly liquid foundation because that बहुत ज़्यादा lightweight होता है and it's very good absorbing on your skin and it will not give that cakey look. If you use cream foundations or cream foundations such as like this Derma ke or Cryolin ke or that thick foundation high coverage ke, it will not give that glowy dewy look. So use a liquid foundation. So Fit Me Ka is like an amazing example. So you can take Fit Me Ka foundation or any foundation which is thick. If you have a thick foundation, mix it with a moisturizer and it will get lighter. So you can do that jugaad also. I'm giving you as much as tips I can. Okay, in that foundation, now you have to mix a primer. Now you have to mix your primer with your foundation. Now why, I will tell you that later, just a little bit. And you have to mix the silicone based primer. If you have a silicone based primer, that will be very better. You have to take just a very little amount. Okay, so when you're mixing your silicone primer with your foundation, you have to mix it always with finger because that will give a very good blending effect. When you mix that with your foundation, it will become a little bit thicker, but it will glide smoothly. Now when you use primer, pore filling ka jo primer hota hai silicone, you will see that your overall face gets blurred and it looks very flashback nahi deta and it looks very photogenic. That is what we are achieving. So we don't go with two layers, primer and foundation. We are just going it with one layer. So we are mixing our primer with our foundation, and then what you do is you just apply wherever you need, little bit karke. Okay, or you can skip this part. You can directly use a brush and you can start blending. If you use beauty blender, most of the product will be soaked by beauty blender, so use a stippling brush that foundation is used with. Okay, that will be much better. Okay, so I am blending my foundation lightly. I hope you can see how dewy my skin is looking and how seamless. लगता भी नहीं कि मैंने foundation लगाया. Okay, that is what we are achieving and we are going for. So primer का क्या करेगा? It will make your skin like blur. At the same time, the foundation will give you that coverage, right? So we are taking light amount, and firstly you pat it. Always pat, and then you can rub little light. You don't have to go very much goal. Make sure that you are dabbing. Even if you have a lot of skin issues, you always dab. And if you have good skin okay skin, you can go little bit circular motion because that will just blend your product अच्छे से. Mostly I prefer dabbing only because I feel that makes the product just deposit अच्छे से, because when you're using this kind of stroke क्या होता है ना, the product उधर ही लग जाता है and that will give that seamless effect on your skin like a canvas. That looks so good, right? That is what I'm saying. I'm done with my foundation. As you can see, it is looking so good. So it is not looking oily, it is not looking that matte, but it is exactly what you want. मतलब dewy at the same time, अच्छे से blended and very glowing at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna show. You can use a concealer now. So concealer, you can use any lighter shade, okay, or which gives that brightening effect. Okay, so I'm using the Swiss Beauty HD concealer. I have recently reviewed this, you can watch that. So this is a HD concealer. So it is basically high definition. It has a lot of silicone inside it uske pehle se only, so it will give exactly that glowing effect that I want. So I can directly, you can just directly go applying it from the product. Very less is more when it comes to K-pop or like Korean makeup. They are very minimal when it comes to their makeup. Okay, now I'm going with this small brush, blending brush, and just blending it very lightly. Actually I didn't need it, but I'm just showing as a step so that you know how to do it. Okay, very lightly. Always make sure that you are very light and gentle on your face, and when it comes to your under eyes, be very gentle. Go with your compact, and compact you have to just use underneath your eyes. That's it. If you have very oily skin, you can just also use it on your nose, but you have normal skin or your combination skin, just underneath your eyes. Don't use compact powder, use loose powder. That gives light coverage और आपको ज़्यादा भी coverage नहीं देगा, but it will also not look cakey. If you use compact is already pressed foundations only, so that will give a lot of coverage also और आपको बहुत cakey look भी देगा. So when it comes to this Korean makeup and all that, their skin is always very glowing, and if you see, you will never feel that they're wearing a lot of makeup. That is what I always feel. So go very light-handed, always very light-handed. That's it. I have little bit oiliness here, so I will just apply there. That's it. Okay, their eyeshadows are always brown, light brown and light red based. You will always see that because that is how their skin enhances with that color. So this is the Swiss Beauty palette that I will highly recommend. This has all those shades which mostly they use. It has a light brown, dark brown, medium, very dark brown, this red shades, and some pressed glitter, pressed shimmers also. This is the ultimate palette 06 Swiss Beauty ka 199 ka only this is. So what I'm going to show is, what I'm going to do is the actual look. So I'm going to go with this a bit reddish kind of shade. Okay, always pat it behind the product. Don't directly blow it because आपके spit उसमें चले जाते हैं. Never do that. Then you have to take that and just like on your crease. This is your crease, right? आपका जो ये crease है, I'm using the pack brush. This is the whole set का brush which I got. I said. So you have to go circular motions here. You can go circular, धीरे, or you can go in this way. So it's on you how you prefer. Okay. After that, you can use a shimmer if you want. Mostly I have not seen much of the shimmer when they're performing and all. They wear all these different eye looks. But if you want a little bit shimmer, go with very light kind of silver and all that. That will do. I will show you some kind of shade that you will get a reference from. So you can use this kind of shimmer, this kind of very light champagne kind of shades. That will be very light, and at the same time a highlighter. Basically you can use a highlighter. So you can use highlighter. This is the Makeup Revolution ka highlighter. So you can use it just on your lids, and blend it. जितना हो सके ना आपको blend करना है. Okay, you have to be very light with that. आपको ज़्यादा नहीं दिखाना है, very lightly. And this is the most important part. They do most of the time, as I said, they don't wear much of liner. You can also go with a liner, but you will always see their eye looks are very much smudged and seamless. So now you have to go with a dark brown color. You can go according to your skin tone. If you have very dark color, if you have very dark skin, you can go with this. If you have a skin tone like me, you can go with this kind of chocolate brown color. You have to take little bit. And now we are going to make our liner with this. So we apply liner either, right? So now with this kind of brush, you have to just smudge your liner. So you have to smudge your eyeshadow as a liner. So आपको धीरे from your inner corner, okay, and then just here. just to give that definition and that kind of look of eyeliner, that you're not wearing eyeliner but it looks a very seamless eyeliner. Go very, very, very gentle. Okay, so I'm done with my both of my eyes, and I went with a lot of mascara. I curled my eyelashes and I went with 2 coats of mascara. Okay, so mascara is very important because you have to look like doll. I hope you can see. So mostly whenever you see, you can also go with eyelashes if you want. I don't wear eyelashes, so I will skip here. As you can see, I just blend underneath my eyes. That's it. You're not gonna wear kajal. Okay, if you still wanna wear kajal, you can go, as this is K-pop inspired, so I'm not wearing any kajal. Okay, now we go with the brows. Now mostly if you see, their brows are always lighter. मेरे जैसे उनके brows, I have seen them, I have never seen them they don't have a lot of dark brown, they don't have lot of lashes mostly, so you can use just a brow gel if you have, or you can wear a you can also wear an eyebrow pencil, however you like. I'm keeping it very light and subtle today. Okay. Okay, now comes the lips. Now lips ke liye the most important trick that you have to use is, you don't have to use any lip liner, you don't have to use any lipstick pure lips mein. What they mostly do is they will take a bit cream shadows, mostly this kind of, so I'm using a NYX soft matte lip cream, so it's a lip cream. So this is in the shade Amsterdam. So basically any red shade will do. So you have to apply under, like in your inner lips. So you have to just see on my, see, you have to apply here and just blend it like this. Be very light and then go with a clean finger and just dab all over your lips. I hope you can see. You have to give that stain effect. You can also use a lip and cheek tint, that will also do. Now I don't have those, so you go like on the middle and then you blend it pure lips pe. I hope you got the trick. Okay, you can use the pura shade on your whole lips also, but you have to be very that light, very, very light. You have to just, like in camera it is looking a bit lighter, but in real it is looking exactly how it should be, like very gentle and all that. And the same thing you can use it on your cheeks. Now they do go with a lot of blush, but layer as and make sure that you're using a cream products only. If you have a lipstick, that will be good only. Mostly red lipstick को सबके पास रहता है. And go upwards. ठीक है, धीरे 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 always go upwards like this. So you can use both of your fingers and one of your finger and just go like this. You don't even have to use a brush. Most of their products, most of their tricks, the way they do their makeup is something that you can use directly with your palms. You don't have to buy a lot of brushes and all that, guys. Okay, and go upwards. You can smile and you can also apply on your apples. Okay. Now I have a lot of cheeks, so I'm not using on my apples. I'm going upwards, so I have that slimming effect. Okay, that's it. Now you can stop here. If you want, you can also go with gloss. If you want just that plumping effect on your lips, I'm using a little bit of gloss. I'm using a Sephora gloss. This is how it looks. So you can just apply again just on the middle, and then you blend that on your other pura lips. That's it. Okay. And now highlighter. Now highlighter, I will not suggest you to use powder highlighter, not even cream. If you have cream highlighter, you can go a little bit on your over here, wherever you want. I'm going to use oil. I'm going to use baby oil only, or you can use Vaseline. Now Vaseline idhar mere paas nahi hai, it's like somewhere far away, so I'm not going to get up. So I'm using a little bit of oil, just warming it in my fingers, and then I'm going to apply it on my high bone, like the highlighting part where you apply usually your highlighter. There I'm going to apply my oil. That's it. So yeah, this is the makeup. Now you can set it with don't use a setting spray because that has alcohol in it. Use a dewy mist, which has basically you can use that as a mist as well as a setting. So I'm using the plum mist. So this is the green tea mist, but I'm using the grape sea buckthorn. I've refilled in this small bottle. So this is the grape seed sea buckthorn wala facial mist. It is so good. It gives so much of glow. I use all the time. I use this on my clients a lot. Very अच्छे से let it dry and you're done. Other than that, I hope that you enjoyed my video. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to kar dena if you definitely appreciate my work that I'm putting on a regular basis. And you can follow me on my pages. That everything is said in the start, but मैं वापस repeat कर रही हूँ. All my other before videos will be in the description, and something very exciting coming on Thursdays. So stay tuned. I'm not gonna reveal anything. It's related to K-pop only. So be tuned with that, and I will see you in that, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.